Hey, it's Stuart Robertson, CEO of ShareBuilder 401k. We're here to help Americans save for retirement. Compounding is actually the magic of 401k savings, or really anything you save in. Because compounding is how you make your money make money, right? So every dollar you put in, there could be dividends, there could be price growth in the stock or bonds, there could be interest in there. All that stuff builds on each other, and over time, it really helps your money grow. So let's make this more real. Let's take a hypothetical example, right? Let's say you put in $1,000 and you're not going to touch it for 40 years. And let's say all the ups and downs of the market, that over that period of time, you got an 8% return on average each year. You know, we don't know, but that's not a bad number to use, right? What's your guess? What is that worth in 40 years? Well, it might add up to over $20,000, 20x of what you put in, which is the power of compounding. That's what it means to make your money work for you. And of course, remember, we can't guarantee results. Past returns don't guarantee future returns. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe. We got a lot of great content out there. A lot of people are looking at the one around the 401k balances by age. How much should you have saved by 30, 40, 50 years old to be on track for how much you want to save? So that's a good one out there. But please follow us, and here's to a happy retirement.